What's up, guys? My name is Derek, aka Flippingahouse, and we are here on the north side of Houston at one of our latest investment properties. This was an off-market deal that we purchased, and the reason that we were able to get this property is because there was tenants that were living in the home. They weren't paying rent. There was a tree on the house. There was just a lot of issues that the seller wasn't willing to deal with, and because of that, we came in, we provided solutions, and we were able to get this property closed. But let's go take a look on the inside because it's actually not that bad. So I told you guys we got this property off market. We picked it up for $115,000. Now we're gonna be putting a little under $15,000 into the repairs, and then we'll list it on market for $200,000. Now the home is worth $230,000, but we're gonna list it a little bit under in this market to get a quick sale. And let me show you some of the things that we're gonna be doing. So you guys can see we already got countertops done. We're gonna be painting these cabinets, new appliances, some new light fixtures throughout, but nothing crazy. We're actually gonna keep this tile flooring and clean it up. And then you guys can see we had carpet here. We're gonna be replacing the carpet and the floors, but we're not gonna go over, right? Sometimes you can over rehab a home. That's not what we're doing here. We have really good bones and structure, so we're just gonna be cleaning it up. We're gonna be getting rid of this ugly brown color. We're gonna do a fresh white paint or off-white paint with some new floors and really just make it pop. So like I told you guys, the main components of this home, the roof, the foundation, the plumbing, all of that is good, the electrical. We're just gonna be doing fresh doorknobs really here in the hallways, some new paint, like I said, just new fixtures, new light fixtures, just nice and simple and cheap. And then here in the bathroom, the tile is actually already done in the showers. The tenants actually put new vanities. So we're just gonna clean these up, clean the floors, and with the new paint, it's just really gonna make it pop and feel very homely. Now, if you guys are looking to find off-market opportunities such as this one, you should really check out Newly. Not only do they provide leads here in Houston, Texas, they also provide leads across the nation. And so you can get started investing now. It doesn't matter if you're looking for your first flip, wholesale deal, or even a rental. They can get you the leads you need to get you started in your investing career.